Hey friends, I just wanted to show you if you are struggling with the paper copies of playing the domino game, if you click down to our math games, remember that you have this here. So this is a picture of dominoes and it will bring up a domino game. This one you can choose how many people you want to play with. You can choose you against someone else, 3 people or 4 people. Let's just play against somebody else. Okay, so it says I'm going to take the first turn. Okay, let's see. Where's the domino? There we go. Oh, I already tricked Tom. Let's see, I can play this. Can Tom go? Let's see, I have 3 or a 2. I think I'll play the 2. There you go. I think I'm going to play the 3. Uh-oh. I don't think I can go. I either need a 1 or, oh, look at that. What do I have? I have a 5. I can play my 0. Okay, so looks like I can play my last domino. He has 2 left. And so Tom's going to go. So you can keep playing and keep playing. Let's see. Let's see. I can choose a 5 or I can choose a 3. I think I'm going to go with a 3. Let's see. I can choose a 1 or a 5. Let's do my double 1. Let's see. I can choose 5 or I can choose, that's it. So let's choose this 5. Uh-oh. He got lots of points that time. So now it's my turn again. Let's see. Let's start with this one, a 2 and a 4. Let's see. I could play my 6. Oh, maybe I should play my 5 again. Okay. So I have a choice. I can either play a 3 or a 2. I think I will play this 3. Ooh, and look at this one. I can choose to play in either place. Let's see. Let's play this one here. Uh-oh. And I did it to myself. Let's see, I can play this here.